Hello, Howard here with Ace Home Inspection in Warner Robins, Georgia. Another item that we commonly find in homes is deadbolt and strike plate adjustment issues. When you're going through your house getting it ready for a home inspection, check all your doors and latches. Make sure that the deadbolts go all the way in. This one here isn't engaging, it's only going in partially. We want to make sure we get a full throw of the deadbolt inside the strike plate. Go ahead and do that before you get ready for putting your house on the market, and you'll save yourself a lot of trouble when it gets ready for your home inspection. So thanks again, and Howard with Ace Home Inspection, Warner Robins, Georgia.